Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this new tutorial. Today we are learning about while loops. So I have already created an index.html and I've linked my JavaScript file inside of the head tag, and it's located in the JS folder and it's called script.js. So I'm opening our script file and I create a new variable, call it family, and I assign it to an array. And I put inside of this array mom, dad, and son, for example. And now we create our while loop, and our while loop looks like this. So we write while, then we have this brackets, and inside of this brackets there is our condition. And as long as this condition is true, we execute this code inside of here. So let's create a condition. We say index has to be smaller than family dot length. All right. So we don't have index variable smaller. Sorry, we don't have an index value index variable right now. So we have to create a new variable called index, and we assign it to 0. Alright, so as long as this is true, it's executed again. So if we do something like this, this is a endless loop, because index is always smaller than 3, because family length is 1, 2, 3, and 0 is always smaller. So this is an endless loop, and this is not good because this will crash your program. So let's try it out. We say document dot write, and then we say family, and we want the index, and then we say plus a break. And if we execute something like this is an endless loop, and you see our page, it loads and loads and loads and loads. So it's not working anymore. So we can break this, but it's our Chrome crashed here. So we have to stop this task right now because Chrome crashed. An endless loop. So I have to force quit it and open a new Chrome tab and go inside of localhost, inside of my tutorial folder, inside of JS. Yeah, it's different to your folder structure, and I go inside of the while loop. Oh no, don't do this. This is not good. As you see, it's working and working and working. So I have to force quit Chrome again because this was not a good idea. So we need to do something that it's not an endless loop anymore. So we say index plus plus. So every time this while loop is executed, index gets +1. So in the first time it's 0, then it's 1, then it's 2, and then it's finished because it's getting outside of the loop. So it's not an endless loop anymore. So it's the same statements like in a for loop, but first statement in the for loop we have in the while loop outside of our while loop. Then we have the condition, which is the second statement inside of our for loop. And then we have the third statement, which is our increment operator, which we used as the third statement inside of our inside of our for loop. So now it should work. And let's try it out. We go inside of our localhost. I go to tutorial, to my folder, and inside of my while loop, and you see it's printing out mom, dad, and son. And that's what we wanted. And it's not an endless loop anymore. And that's great. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. And if so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see us in the next video. Bye.